Hello, everyone, and welcome to another joyful tune-in. This is Kenji. Today, we're going to do a simple brain balancing technique. And you can do this first thing in the morning. You can do this before you go to sleep at night, and you could do it midday when perhaps you need a boost of energy. So as always, let's bring the focus into the here and now. I am here, I am now, I am. Use the power of the breath to center and focus, ground with the new earth, let go of the day, let go of tribal consciousness, move awareness into neutrality, creating sacred space all around you. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to put your hands like this, where your thumbs are a little bit off the ear, your thumb pads, and then your finger pads are activating your brain. So you're just going to hold this position without straining your arms for about a minute or so, and just focus on breathing. Breathing in, brain balance. Exhale, just letting go of any stress and tension from the day, from the week, from the month, from the year. And you're going to talk to your brain. You're going to say, we're doing a little tune-up here now for you. So the energies that will balance your brain are coming from the higher dimensions, is flowing through your fingertips into your beautiful brain. Now, move positions, and you're going to hold the temples, both temples here, with the pads of your fingers lightly. And you're going to breathe, and you're going to relax. Allow the stress from the day to just let go on the out breath. I am releasing all manner of stress from the day. Keeping your hands relaxed, allowing the brain to go into a nice alpha, even theta state. Very calm, very peaceful. Okay, now you're going to take the pads of your fingers and just kind of brush away your third eye like this, as if you're removing any barriers to your inner vision, to the functioning of your pineal pituitary glands. You're just sweeping away debris and density and fog. Just let go off the body. Then gently shake your hands. And now I'm going to bless your brain. So put your hands like this and call to the heart of creation, deep into the oneness, that you are ready to receive blessings. Blessings upon the body, blessings upon the brain, keeping your hand chakras open to simply allow, allow, allow. If anything comes up in the mind, just simply breathe and relax. I am here, I am now, I am. Okay, and then you can take off your hands when you're ready. Go back to focus on your breathing. Reground with the new earth. And this will help set your brain functions for the day. And also, before you go to sleep, you can hold the intention that your brain is going to go into a deep REM sleep pattern, and that you will have visionary experiences in the dream time. So we hope this has been helpful for you. Enjoy your day, and thank you for tuning in once again. Many blessings.